What's up, guys? Welcome back to Brav Global Reaction. Kindly watching me for the previous time, and if you're coming across this video for the first time, remember to subscribe, like, and also comment. So into today's video, we are going to talk about why many people are falling in love with Jamaica. There are many reasons as to why many people are loving Jamaica, and maybe before I dodge in or before I dive in, let us watch this video, and then I shall be coming at the end of this video to give you more extra reasons as to why people are falling in love with Jamaica.
Over me how much impression Jamaica have on the world. A small little country like Jamaica is so impactful. Like, we go places in a big foreign, bro, and a person would hear my accent and they would say to me, "Where are you from?" "I'm from Jamaica." Jamaica! I love Jamaica. And have you ever been to Jamaica before? No, but I plan to go. Jamaica is such a wonderful place. I love the people. I love the food. It's like a big deal. Jamaica is such an inspirational place, yo. We're just happy to be a Jamaican. The aura where Jamaica bring off unmatched, isn't me? No disrespect to nobody else in the country, but everybody want a little bit of Jamaican in them, isn't me? Big up to everybody. We love Jamaica, is it? We love it too, yeah?
So I'm in Jamaica, and one of the things that I believe we need to talk about when it comes to Jamaica is how amazing it is. Because yes, you can go to another country that has a great beach, sunshine, water, attentive staff, and good food. But you will not find the same vibe as Jamaica. And when we say vibe, vibe is a short word for vibration, which is another word synonymous to energy. The energy of Jamaica is powerful, uplifting. It takes you to a state of peace and optimism, fun, adventure, exploration. You end up radiating on your highest frequency. And the best way I can put it, and I really took a moment to think about it last night, is that Jamaica helps you to fall in love with yourself through, I don't know if it's the nature, the interactions with people, just the fun you have, the way you feel. Like there's just something here. There is something here that you end up glowing. You know, it also could be the fact that the food is organic and you ain't eating crap for a while, but it's all of the above. It's all of the above. And I will always tell people about how amazing my country is, because most people aren't aware of how deep it goes. They just see Jamaica and they have their nuanced ideas of what it is, but this place is special and powerful.
And I can't wait for this next trip. And it's like the magical portal, the most magical portal that I've ever been to. And all my girlfriends are like, "Girl, you're going to Jamaica again?" And I'm like, yes, I am. And they're like, "Why do you love Jamaica so much?" And I'm like, "Girl, have you ever been to Jamaica? It's quite the most beautiful, most surreal, I just can't explain it. You just gotta go." And, I was trying to tell her the reasons why I love it, because I've been there the past year. I've been there 3 times, and I've been to a lot of different places. I've been to Dubai, I've been to Africa, I've been to Mexico, I lived in Spain. Like, I've been around, but something about Jamaica just does it for me. It's like everything. So the food is absolutely incredible. The people, I feel like I'm just home, you know what I mean? Everyone accepts me. It's just, I don't know, it's everything. The views, the vibes, like, it is just a good time, and I just can't wait because I'm gonna be there again, and I'm bringing more of my friends this time. So see you soon, Jamaica.
that the Jamaicans managed to open up a Jamaican restaurant in every single country in the world. So I have traveled to around 20 different countries, and what I still don't understand is how every single place I've visited, I've always met a Jamaican person who has married a local, has mixed Jamaican kids, and has opened up a Jamaican restaurant with the best Jamaican food in town, which is the only Jamaican restaurant in town. Like, I understand if you are a person of Chinese or Indian descent, because China and India literally incorporate around a third of the entire world's population, and because of colonization. But Jamaica is a tiny island from the Caribbean. So my question is, how did you even find this country to immigrate to, first of all? Again, if you really do not believe me, literally, wherever you are in the world, look up Jamaican restaurant in your country and you will find it.
If you are a black person especially, and you're used to feeling like a second-rate citizen in your own country, and you come here and you are seen, you are appreciated, you are validated, and on top of that, you are laughing all day long. Why wouldn't you think this is paradise? It is paradise. Land that I love. This is the first place in the world that I felt like a human being. This is the first place that I felt truly, truly seen. It was the times where I came to Jamaica to vacation as a child, and I barely made friends in the US. And in one weekend in Jamaica, I would make 10 friends. Oh, you want to play dominoes with me? I remember one Halloween I didn't have a costume. Well, my mom got me a costume. I didn't like it, and she punished me for that. Anyway, when I went outside, the kids didn't care. They're ready to play with me. They're joking around, they're playing around. They did not care in the least. This is Jamaica, where character matters. People are real here. People truly see you here. And this is what makes it so special and so beautiful, and just such an iconic place to vacation, and hopefully for me to live. I'm manifesting. This will be my home one day, and I will be the happiest, most blessed person alive.
So one of the things I've come to love about Jamaican culture is that, like, at first this was kind of hard, but I like it because you don't ever have to wonder where you stand with somebody that's Jamaican. Like, if they don't like you, you know. If they love you, you know. And I think that's refreshing because, yeah, I mean, we want to be polite, and I get that. And there's a time definitely you want to be that way, but it's also cool because, you know, like, if somebody loves you or rocks with you, that it's like real, you know what I mean? It's not just polite. And so I think that's something that's really refreshing about Jamaica. So shout out for just keeping it real and leaving no room for questions, good and bad. Love y'all.
For those of you that flock to Miami in droves and think that this place is paradise, let me tell you, it is not. Yes, the sun is shining. Yes, you have options. Yes, there's a million things to do, and depending on where you're coming from, this can seem great. But the true paradise that I tell everyone you need to go to is Jamaica. Jamaica is true paradise. You have organic food, real food, delicious food. You can support someone on the side of the road, and I guarantee the food will be amazing. The produce will be amazing. You will eat things. I've had chicken in Jamaica that made me cry, okay? Cry. Tears. From chicken and bread on the side of the road, okay? You have waterfalls, beaches, hills. Miami ain't got no hills, we flat. Views that will take your breath away. Water that you can see your foot when you step in the water. You see the fish, you see beauty, okay? You have people that will make you laugh hysterically just by being themselves day to day. You come to Miami, ain't nobody talking to you. They don't see you. Most likely they don't even speak English. And I love my Spanish people, but some of y'all racist. Next, Jamaica has this air of excitement and just, you could be at the grocery store, you could be in line. There's just this energy because the culture in Jamaica is so rich. Miami, because there's so many different people here, everybody just sticks to their own. There's no inclusion, there's no mixing. If anything, they're just gonna ignore your ass. They're not friendly, they're not warm, they're not open. They just be like, what do you want? Okay. I'm not saying Jamaica's perfect and I'm not saying Miami's hell, but I'm saying if you can make a decision on which one you want to go to and you're looking for paradise, you're looking for fun, you're looking for a time, you're looking to support an economy that will very much appreciate your dollar, go to Jamaica and enjoy yourself fully. You can get an Airbnb that will come with a chef who will cook you breakfast, lunch, and dinner from scratch, baby. You can go stay up in the mountains. You can stay up in the hills. You could get a boat. You could live life and connect with a spiritual level, a country that will blow your mind. Guaranteed. If you have any questions, let me know. And this is from someone who has been in Miami from I was 4 years old. I'm now 32. A long time. Okay? And I've been to Jamaica more times than I can count, and I can never get enough. I'm putting you on. And thank me later.
I think I've watched the video till the end, and that is something which is proven that we cannot go to parliament or we cannot form a debate on why many people are loving Jamaica. Jamaica is one of the interesting countries across all the universe. At the Caribbean, many people are loving Jamaica because of different reasons. One of them, you have seen them in the previous video. So let me add on you the more reasons as to why many people are loving Jamaica. Number one, the Jamaican have a very good culture. The culture of the reggae music, the reggae artists, they sing songs which are very motivating. Many people are loving the process as to which Jamaica is moving, and the reggae music, they are very encouraging. Many people who are about to give up, when they listen to reggae music, they get encouraged and they do not fall into temptations. Secondly, Jamaican have a very rich culture. When we see an example of the artists, they sell their talents and they earn more money. Or when people go to Jamaica to visit the different areas, they make Jamaica to earn foreign exchange. The third reason, Jamaican people have a very welcoming spirit. They are very hospitable. We have seen many tourists going to Jamaica and they come back safely from all over the countries and the continents. Many whites go to Jamaica and they come back safely. This is because of the stable government and the stable security. This makes people to love Jamaica because when you visit Jamaica, you are very sure that you are going to come back safely. The hotels where they host people, they are very clean. The environment there is very hygienic. The environment is very welcoming, and the hostels, they are very good. So many people like Jamaica because of that welcoming and hospital spirit. The third reason is because the fourth reason is because the Jamaican dishes, they are very well. Take an example, the jack chicken it has proteins which build the body. There is one of the stems to build the body, and many people love the jack chicken. Even me, I love the jack chicken because it's very interesting. The fifth reason is because of the Jamaican tourist attraction centers. Imagine a small country with a population of 2.8 million people having many tourist attraction centers. Take an example like Bob Marley Museum. Many people like visiting there because it is a very interesting center. Many people like that museum because it contains everything they want. Another example is the white sandy beaches found on highlands. Many people usually go there for vacations, or maybe when someone is going there for a honeymoon, they say it's possible to go and spend that time in Jamaica because of the sandy beaches, so that they get that warm and cold air from the shores of the rivers and from the shores of the oceans. Another reason Jamaica has is viewed as being one of the diaspora. This is because many people who are investors are investing very much into Jamaica because it has one of the stable security. Someone is very sure that when he invests in Jamaica, he cannot incur any loss. He's sure that the investments are very safe because there is no there is no any political instability. No one is fighting. There are no wars. This makes someone to be sure that when he has an investment in Jamaica, is very safe. The sixth reason this is because Jamaica is a free zone. No one looks at the life of the other one. People are just living and interacting freely. This makes people to go there so that they socialize, unlike in their home countries where people do not socialize. There's no that right to do things freely. Many people are being governed by very tough laws, the tough rules which hinder them from socializing and mixing freely. But Jamaica is a free zone. People see it nice to spend their time in Jamaica because the life there is very free. No one focuses on the life of the other person. The other reason is because Jamaica has affordable lifestyle. The houses there are very affordable. No one can see any loss. No one can incur any loss just in case of hiring a house. The amount to pay or the levy to pay there is very cheap. And also the hotels there, they're not that expensive like the other hotels in the world. When someone visits the Jamaican hotels, he can earn, he can be able to pay into that bill. So people, also guys, I think you have seen different reasons as to why people are loving Jamaica. Let us continue loving Jamaica because it's a very small country but has very interesting characteristics. A country with 4 parishes but having having a population of 2.8 million, but it's having one of the richest things inside it. So for you to see those riches or richness, continue following me and continue subscribing, continue commenting, and continue liking. Thank you guys. I hope I shall come again with many several reasons as to why many people are loving Jamaica or many people are falling in love with Jamaica. We have the other reasons like the Patois language. We have seen the white speaking Patois language, but those I shall come with them on my next video. Thank you once again. Continue watching, continue joining in to Brave Global Reaction. Bye for now.